Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to create a bundle for a buyer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create a bundle for a buyer on Poshmark, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Poshmark application and be sure to be logged to your account as well. After you're logged into your account, what you need to do is find the items the buyer wants to bundle, then create the bundle by simply going to the listing page on one of the items and then tap on offers to likers, or on some versions simply create bundle. Then select all the items the buyer wants to include and set a bundle price. You can also give a discount if you like and then send the bundle to the buyer by simply clicking send offer or create bundle. The buyer will receive a notification that the bundle is ready. They can purchase it directly without any extra steps, and then once done, ship all the items together in one package neatly and include a thank you note if you want to boost ratings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.